Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. Sometimes the deepest pain creates the strongest drive. This is the story of Michael Torres, a boy abandoned by family conflict who turned heartbreak into history-making success. The story of broken home. Michael grew up in a small apartment with his parents and two younger sisters. At first, life was simple. His dad worked construction, his mom stayed home. But when his dad started drinking heavily, everything changed. Arguments grew violent. His sisters cried at night. Michael tried to shield them. One night, his dad left for good after a fight. The family was shattered. His mom now had to raise three kids alone, working long hours as a cleaner. At 14, Michael worked part-time at a grocery store to help childhood in debt too soon. Michael often skipped meals so his sisters could eat. At school, classmates teased him for wearing the same worn-out shoes every day. One night he told his mom, "Don't worry, one day I will make enough money so you will never have to struggle again." But secretly he cried himself to sleep, doubting if that day would ever come. A mentor, his high school coach, saw potential in him. The coach told him, "Use your pain, Michael. Don't let it bury you. Let it push you." Michael threw himself into basketball. It became his escape, his therapy, his hope. Hours before and after school, he trained relentlessly. Michael earned a sports scholarship to college. His family cried with joy when he received the acceptance letter. College wasn't easy. He juggled classes, training, and part-time jobs, but he never gave up. By senior year, scouts noticed him. Michael was dropped into a professional basketball league. Overnight, the boy who once could not afford shoes had his own scholarship deal. He called his mom, "Pack your bags. We are moving to a real home." His sister screamed with happiness. His mom broke down in tears. Years later, Michael stood on stage after winning a championship. Cameras flashed, fans cheered, but his eyes charged the crowd. He saw his mom and sister smiling proudly. Michael whispered, "This is for you. We made it." Even his father, older and broken, approached him one day asking for forgiveness. Michael forgave him, showing that true success is not wealth but healing. Michael's story teaches us that family crisis does not have to define your future. Broken homes can build unbreakable spirits, and no matter how dark the night, success can still rise like the morning sun. When life tests you with pain, turn it into power. When family fails you, create a new legacy, because sometimes the hardest beginnings make the strongest champions. This one leans on a sports success arc, but still deeply emotional with family crisis at the heart. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.